Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our favorite drinks called the Ube Latte. First, we're going to get started by making the coffee portion of the drink. I'm going to show you how to make it using a steam filter. You can actually make any type of coffee at home as long as it's a pretty concentrated brew. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coffee, but if you want it a little bit stronger, you can use 3. Then you shake it out a little bit, drop the press on top. You cover the filter press by about 1/2 inch, and then you let the coffee bloom for 45 seconds. Alright, and after it's done blooming, you can just fill water all the way to the top. Be careful. And now you let the coffee do its thing. Alright, so now while the coffee is brewing, we're going to move on to making the ube mix. The first thing we're going to do is make simple syrup. You can either buy simple syrup in a store or just make it at home. It's super simple. It's just going to be equal parts of sugar and water. So this is, I did 4 ounces of sugar. Stir it up a little bit. So you just want to stir it up until it's all melted. So next for the ube mix, we're going to start with opening a can of coconut milk. The recipe that I'm going to share with you today just calls for 1/2 can of coconut milk, but if you wanted to make the whole can, you can just double all of the ingredients, right? So we're going to start with 1/2 can. Ube extract. You can find this online on Amazon or maybe at your local grocer. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of ube extract. Now we're going to add 3 ounces of the simple syrup that we just made. The last ingredient is going to be 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Super potent. Alright, so now we're just going to check in on our coffee real quick. It looks like it's done. Cap comes closer. Actually, while we finish off the rest of the mix, I'm just going to put this in the fridge to cool it down a little bit. Alright, so the coffee is cooling in the fridge. Alright, so now I'm using a whisk or a spoon or a fork, whatever you have at home. We're going to mix up the ube mix. Alright, so now if you have a quart or a container at home, I would just transfer the ube mix into a quart so it's easier to store and easy to use. Okay, so now we're ready to put it all together. So 1 ounce of the ube mix. We're gonna fill this glass with ice. We're gonna use 2 ounces of a milk of your choice. Alright, and the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the Fiend coffee that we just made. Alright, so that was our Ube Iced Latte. Hope you enjoyed it. If you end up making it, tag us on Instagram so we can see how it came out. Let us know in the comments if there's anything else that you want to see in terms of recipes, and we'll try to whip it up for you. Alright everyone, take care.